How to pay with Google Pay app. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can pay with Google Pay application. How do you go about this? The first step is for you to log in into your Google Pay application. But before then, ensure that you are. Now, the Google Pay application is also known as Google Wallet, right? So in case you're seeing Google Wallet, they mean the same thing. So once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the bottom right corner of the screen where you can see the plus icon and then you click on it. Now there are different options for you to pay on Google Pay. You have the payment card option, you have the transport pass, you have the loyalty card, you have the gift card, and then you have the gift card. All right, these are the four methods of paying on Google Pay. So you have to select the one that you have. If you want to add the payment card, just click on the payment card option, and then you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to enter in your card details. Ensure you do that, save your card, and then you can use that card to make payments on Google Pay. Or you can decide to use your transport pass in order to pay for transportation on Google Pay. And then you can make use of the loyalty card in order to earn and use your rewards that you earn to pay. And also you can make use of a gift card to shop and pay with a gift card. All of these are possible. So you can use any of these to pay. Just add them to your wallet and you're good to go. So this is how you can make payments on Google Pay. And also, you can also add your boarding pass and your event ticket to your Google Wallet. And you can use these ones to pay as well. So that is it, okay? Thank you and have a good day.